what you refer to, but I'm sure this must be a misunderstanding. The issue here is debt sustainability. So our report clearly shows, yes, debt is sustainable, but it's, as we say, on a knife edge. There is no room for slippages. Policies must be implemented as programmed. If they are not, then it is questionable whether debt is sustainable. But with firm and strong policy implementation in line with what has been agreed, debt will gradually come down. The good news is that following last Monday's Eurogroup meeting, the Eurogroup has decided that it wants to consider what it can do to further help improve debt sustainability, possibly by looking at providing financing at lower interest rate. It's a discussion that has just started, so it's too early to be concrete about it, but that too will help improve that sustainability.
So you are still confident that the program is going to succeed? Yes,
I am. This is a very difficult program. We knew from the start that it would be difficult. We knew that it's inherently a process of 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. Some things do not work, so you will have to correct it and do other things. So do expect that as we go forward, we'll have to continue to take additional measures, try something else. But there is a forward movement. It's a very significant forward movement, and I think what the government has committed itself to here recently during the parliamentary debate is very, very promising, and it's a clear signal that the government is determined to see this thing through.
To provide new aid to Greece, for example, the 6th installment, the 7th installment, does the IMF consider the New Democracy Party's consent a necessary condition?
I think that it would be very helpful to have much broader domestic support in Greece that would help the confidence in the program in Greece and abroad, and that's very important for investor sentiment, for the recovery that we hope take place. We are also meeting with New Democracy and other opposition parties. I think New Democracy has some interesting ideas that I'm very encouraged by the fact that the new Minister of Finance has said that he wants to listen to New Democracy and invited them to talk, in particular on revenue measures, on the tax side, to see if one can bring some of these ideas into the program. I think that's encouraging.
Many believe that the program required has not worked. That's the one. That the prescription required by the IMF has failed. And we need your opinion. What is your opinion?
Well, I think the program has worked. I think it has achieved more or less what it set out to do. It is clearly, as I said, it's a difficult program. It's a socially painful program, notwithstanding the fact that there are a lot of measures in the program to try to alleviate the burden of on the most vulnerable groups. If we look at output, it's more or less like we expected. Very encouragingly is that competitiveness of the economy has improved significantly. The unit labor cost has improved by about 8%. Export is increasing by 22%.